Years ago, Mark Andreessen had this really influential blog post where he laid out the three types of platforms that you come across on the internet. I believe we're seeing the third type of platform really come of age right now, about 10 years after Mark Andreessen wrote that post. So I just want to explain. So the first type of platform Mark Andreessen said you come across is the API model. And that's where your app has access to data and capabilities of another application through an API. So your app talks to their app, your app runs on some servers, their app runs on some servers, and you get access to an API. Now, I won't talk about the second model right now, but the third model that Mark Andreessen talked about is a little different. So you have your application, and instead of your code running on your server and talking to another application server, your code actually runs within the other application servers. So this is a way different way to architect your application where your code has access to the capabilities of another application because your code actually runs within that application. Now, he called this third type of platform the runtime model. And I believe that we're seeing this runtime model really come of age. You see it called serverless functions right now. And it's not just the big players that are allowing you to run serverless functions like AWS and Google and and Microsoft and Amazon. But you see smaller companies are adopting this model too. So you see Braintree, Netlify, Twilio, they all have services that allow you to write code that runs on their application and gives you access to capabilities that are much harder if you were using the API model. So I'm very excited about this. This makes it so that I do not need to manage, provision, take care of servers in order to access the capabilities of these different services. And I'm very excited about this.